little bit why that's important. But we've got a green flag for the first puller of the night. Start the evening, pulling fans. Past 300 feet. Mike Robbins with fire in the hole. This is for Mike Robbins. 320.4 feet. 320.4. But here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Robbins is the test puller. There's a couple of things that happen when you're the test puller. Number one, but for the first two pullers of the class, from my vantage point, it looks like we're way over here, actually on the middle of the track. There's the green flag for Colt Palmer. Oh, you hate to hear that. Boy, look at the smoke, and he had it going, folks. 577.28 feet. 277.28 feet. That right now will be the distance to beat. We have 14 pullers in this class tonight. That's the 77 feet. Here's the green flag for Scott Miller. Miller, I'll tell you what, with that win tonight, boy, that just makes it exciting to be able to see that tractor through that black smoke. Look at that, Everett Wilkerson moves into first place in the Hot Farm class. .1 feet, 308.1 feet for Everett Wilkerson. Well, folks, throughout the night, I'm hoping to be able to interview a few important people up here in the announcer stand. And Levi, come on over here. If you look up here in the announcer stand, you may be able to see Levi Marlatt stand. We do have a green flag. Here we go. I got this. They seem to get better and better. Our last distance was 3:08. Let's see what Darren Bomber has. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've had 4 pulls. Each one gets better. We're just really excited that he's here tonight. Again, this is called the Buck Robber. He's looking to beat 309 feet. And there is the green flag. it for 300 feet. We'll get the distance in just a minute. That has went just a little backwards. It's a beautiful tractor, but the distance 289.0 feet. 289.0. All right, we've got a green flag for Ryan Funk. Is that track getting a little bit more difficult? Very well may be. These pullers may need to try to find a different path down the track. That's 2 in a row that have went backwards tonight. .8 feet, 290.8 feet. Pulling pins, do you need a car battery? And the green flag for Justin Black. Wow, I thought he was going to do it at 250 feet. I didn't think there was any way they were going to stop him before 310. But I think he did get stopped before first place. First place is still 309 feet. Best pullers in America have come here tonight. I see a green flag for Austin Peters. What a pull for Austin Peters. First place is 309 feet. Let's see what he's got. Bomber. Coming up. What did I say? He's a good one. Look at that. Past 300 feet. Is it going to be enough for a new leader? Tractor, we've got the green flag for Tim Jones. At 150, he got that front end so far up in the air. If he would have kept it, but all of a sudden you're bouncing like a bunny rabbit, and I was a little worried how far he'd go. Let's get that distance here and back to the Queen. Okay, we've already got a green flag. Here we go with Endless. I believe that track is getting more difficult as the night goes. He actually maneuvered himself to the left side of the track. That's an incredible tractor. 3 wins last year here in the NTPA pulling circuit and could not get much past 300 feet. Wow, that track is getting difficult. Actually, he didn't even get the 300 feet. That's 292.97. David stayed right in the middle of the track, close to 300 feet, but we're still not at 309 feet. I'll tell you, Darren Balmer, our leader, really had the right moment tonight, the right time to get it out to 309 feet. And ladies and gentlemen, we hope that at the end of each of the first three classes, that the winner of the class will be able to come up here, the second time, but we'll see what he's got. First though out of West Salem, here we go, Carl Way. Coming up short of the 300 feet, Carl Way taking it down the track, setting us up for one final pull. The man who went 320 feet earlier, let's see if he can do it again. We've got ourselves a green flag. Will we do it with the last puller? Fire in the hole. But I'm not sure. I don't have the best vantage point, but 309 is the distance to beat. Let's see what he's got.